Oi, gente, tudo bem? Eu sou Jacob, intercambista da Nova Zelândia. Então, eu vou falar em inglês, não português, mas eu acho que 2 meses eu vou fazer um vídeo em português, tá? Então, welcome. Okay, so I have food right here, and we're gonna just start. This is the Brazilian food taste test. I didn't say that at the start, but I'm gonna be trying foods, Brazilian foods that I think are Brazilian foods anyway, that my brother helped me make. I'm sorry he can't be in the video. Anyway, let's get on to it. Okay, so firstly, we're gonna try this chocolate. Garoto. So it has like nuts in it. Open it. So it does look okay. It's chocolate. So yeah, it does taste good because it has like the berries and the nuts and stuff inside it, which I love in chocolate. But yeah, I do like it. It's not like, oh, it's my favorite chocolate. It's chocolate. Okay, so the next thing I have is guaraná, and I've talked about this in a previous video, and if you haven't seen my previous videos, I'm gonna link in the description. Anyway, let's try guaraná. I have tried it, but I haven't. It's a little bit frozen. You can had it in the fridge. No, guaraná is freaking amazing. I love it. I can't explain the flavor to anyone because I don't know what it tastes like. An English thing that it would taste like. I mean, food, because guaraná is guaraná. It's unique. Moving on to the next one. We have embare. I'll say that. So it's basically like milk caramels and stuff like that. I'm having trouble opening things. I do like caramels, so it's a good one. That is really good. This is the original of this brand. And it's really, really, really good. And oops, I did that. I shouldn't do that because Brazilians, they know what that means, but yeah, don't do that in Brazil. Don't. The next thing we have is bolinho, which is like a little cake, it means in English, and it's brigadeiro. So, if anything's brigadeiro, it's fucking good, I promise. Smells nice. This is what we have. Sorry, the lighting's really, really terrible. Maybe.
But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe
It's good. Yet again, I can't explain the flavor of brigadeiro because, like, I swear it's different than chocolate, like normal chocolate. So Yes, I do like it. But personally, I'm not really a chocolate fan myself. I prefer sweet things. But anyway, let's see what we have next. So we have Seven Belo by Accor, and I believe this is a Brazilian brand, but I'm not too sure. Sorry if it's like an American brand or something. And these are sweet things, so I'm sure I will like it. Yes, the packet was open. Sorry. It's a bit hard, like to chew on. It's a raspberry. Okay, I really love that. Because I like sweet things, I love these. I love these. I'm gonna buy more of them actually. Don't listen to me if you're an exchange student. You guys know the struggle, because just trying to like keep fit and not eat bad food is really hard. Anyway, the next one is Carrefour by Divali, I think is the brand. Oh no, Divali Carrefour. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. And this is Maracuja. And Maracuja, if you haven't tried, is like the best juice. I love it so much. That and lemon. I haven't tried by this brand, but I've had like mango before, so I'm sure it'll be good. If it's not good, I'm gonna be disappointed. Yes, that is Maracuja, but nowhere near as good as like just like natural juice. I prefer that so much more because this only has 10% juice. You might not be able to see that. So, no. I prefer natural. The next thing we have is Salacito. So to me that sounds really Spanish. Equals, like little equals. So I believe this could be somewhere else from South America. And the flavor is pimenta, which is like chili. And yeah, let's try it. And I like spicy things, so. Yeah, they're really little. They're really little things. I really like these. These are fucking awesome. I really like them. They got this spicy kick to it. Because I love spice. If you like spice, you will like these. It's not like super strong, but this that spice. I really enjoy this. And I don't think it's packed for that many calories because and yeah, we have one more thing to get on to, and yeah, last thing we're gonna do Brazil nuts. And Brazil nuts. We do have them in New Zealand, but I'm in Brazil. I have to try them in Brazil. Maybe they taste better. I don't know. Personally, I love Brazil nuts so much. They're so good. And they're really healthy for you. Well, really healthy, like packed full of vitamins. I mean, minerals, sorry. Just good things for you, so yeah. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys did enjoy the video, leave a like, leave a comment. I've been getting lots of comments from many people around the world, especially Brazil. So if you're also from Brazil or another country, or someone wanting to do an exchange, please leave a comment below. If you're from Brazil, leave a comment saying you're from Brazil and maybe your state and how you found this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys have any ideas for the next videos or other foods that you want me to try, because if you guys really did like this video, I will make a new video on part 2 of me trying Brazilian foods. Anyway, see you guys. Ciao. Até breve.